In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to WordPress, capture emails, and grow your email list in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a beginner looking to streamline your WordPress site, setting up Mailchimp can be a game changer for boosting engagement and expanding your audience. First, let's navigate to the WordPress website. Simply open your browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is the hub where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. Just click on the Login button, enter your credentials, and you'll soon find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage your site's content, design, and, most importantly for today, your plugins. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen and you'll see a list of options. Click on Plugins. Plugins are tools that add specific functionality to your WordPress site. And in this case, we'll be adding a plugin that connects Mailchimp to your WordPress. Now that you're in the Plugins menu, you need to click on Add Plugin. This option allows you to search for and install new plugins to enhance your site. In the search bar that appears, type in Mailchimp for WordPress. This is the plugin we'll be using today to seamlessly integrate Mailchimp with your WordPress site. After searching, a list of plugins will appear. The one you're looking for is called MC4WP, Mailchimp for WordPress. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the option to install the plugin. Go ahead and click Install. Once the plugin has been installed, the next step is to activate it. You'll see an Activate button appear in the same spot where the Install button used to be. Click that, and now your Mailchimp plugin is live on your WordPress site. Congratulations! You've just connected Mailchimp to your WordPress site. This simple yet powerful integration allows you to effortlessly collect email addresses through your WordPress platform, enabling you to grow your email list and keep in touch with your audience more effectively. To recap, we logged into WordPress, navigated through the dashboard to the plugin section, and installed the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin, activating it to connect our two platforms. This seamless integration means more engagement and growth for your site, helping you better reach and serve your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy email list building!